The unknown mechanic is busily digging here at the side of a house, trying to get to the sewer line that should be coming out right here. And
right here, this line right here.
So you should be able to see the main stack there. I'm using my phone as a periscope to see where it is.
There's some kind of a dialogue box in front of it.
Oh, but we're not hitting the line yet, so anyway, okay, well, enough of your screwing around here, Mr. Unknown Mechanic. Get to work. Okay. Okay, so you've already got the kitchen down.
Huh?
The kitchen's already down.
Well, I don't know.
I don't see it. Unless
it didn't break. Oh, wow. Here, Jeff.
So
that broke right then.
Good. Yes, that's the kitchen pipe up above there. Yeah, what pipe is that next to it? That's like an old tub drain?
This?
No, up.
This?
Up top. Over by the edge.
Up here?
Yeah.
I don't know. Bathtub?
Oh, maybe it's, maybe there's a, yeah, okay, maybe that's a water line. So it's loosening?
Oh yeah, it's loose. I'm sure it's stuck in there, some uckum-pucky or something.
Oh, they didn't go to the expensive uckum-pucky, did they?
Did they have uckum-pucky back then?
I don't know.
Well, I bet you they did.
Well, what do you know? We got some genuine uckum-pucky.
I don't know that I'm going to be able to do it. I need the use of both hands.
Loser. Kind of an idiot goes and breaks his wrist the week before he has to do some plumbing, you know?
Tell you what, Jeff. Huh? If you get out there and get your shovel and pry on it,
where?
You go out to the hole we dug.
Yeah. And okay, these are the pipe sections that the unknown mechanic removed from under the house in a lovely crawl space. So you can see that these are rotted all through the bottom. You see the bottom of the elbow is rotted out too. And so that's why it's been leaking. And these here are totally filled up with crud. So this here was from the kitchen sink. I'm sure that that's got, it's actually clean, but then it got snaked out long ago. But then you get over here and you see the amount of corrosion there. And there you have a very happy unknown mechanic climbing out from under the house. Never gonna do that one again. But yeah, so that's how that is. That's, you just don't get better quality than that.
Where's the one I pulled out?
This.
No, the other one.
Other one?
The one I threw out with the vice grips.
That's it.
No, it
I just put it in.
Oh, you screwed it in?
Yeah, that's what it was.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that was in. See, the threads were in there.
Yeah.
But they. Oh, they. That's what. That is what caused it. Feel it. That's why it was so hard to get out.
Just, yeah, rotted to it. You know, it's a good thing you were able to compress it.
Well, these, I barely got around it.
Yeah.
So, but it wasn't coming out otherwise.
Yeah. Well, that's a good deal. In the business, that's what we call a screw up in reverse.
Well, that one there shouldn't be that long because this is obstructing the flow of the pipe.
Yeah, it was
the main stack.
In deeper than the hub.
It's in deeper than it should be.
Yeah, see, this is in a 3 by 2 by 3 cast iron hub, so it's 3 inches through. Then there's a 3-inch clean out, and then an 1.5 inch side inlet.
There is a century of turds have passed by that.
Yeah, not through it, but by it.
They've gone around it.
Yeah,
they've hit it.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, the main hub is going here.
Unglove me.
Unglove you.
Show my. I got the glove on my cast.
Yeah. Let me see there. And there.
Okay.
So
I feel better
then,
now, but not much.
yeah. So
now we'll
this,
go back together.
That was the laundry one here.
This is the laundry. Yeah, I cut it off. We can just put a glue coupler together, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. So the ABS is there.
Yeah.
So then we need to make
another section of ABS. It's probably going to be about that long.
Yeah.
ABS.
Okay.
T.
So this went into there. This went to there, and this went over to the laundry. And then was there a pipe up top?
That's from the kitchen.
Okay. Then what was coming in down here?
Oh no, I'm sorry. That came from here. That's how that.
Okay, that's okay. So this. Okay, so what do we got? This was the kitchen.
That's the bottom from the kitchen.
Right. That's the laundry.
Yep.
And then what was in here? Bathroom. Must have been bathroom sink and tub.
Yes, bathroom sink and tub. Yeah. And well, oh no, that went to the kitchen.
Okay.
Okay. This is how it be. God, that's heavy.
Yeah, it is.
Well, it's Schedule 80. Cast iron Schedule 80.
Mm-hmm. Well, galvanized.
Okay. Okay, well that one went this way.
Yeah.
That hooked up to there.
Mm-hmm.
This went on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
But we need to replicate that.
Yeah. So this was kitchen because it has the 45.
Yeah.
That one is laundry, and that one. Yeah, what was that one? That one came.
One what?
Oh, I'm just trying to wonder.
This goes in the hub.
Yeah.
That was the elbow with the massive hole in the bottom.
Yeah.
This was vertical.
Yeah.
That was vertical. This was horizontal.
Yeah. Okay, so there we go.
Yeah.
Into the hub down there, from the laundry here, and from the kitchen there. So where did the bathtub hook in?
The bathtub has its own. It's got its own.
Yeah, but it's
Where'd
still.
you get this?
It was, I think, in your left door.
Oh,
yeah. Been looking for it?
Well, I didn't know where it was, but you'd have to light a match to see if it's on.
Yeah, yeah. No, it was off. Okay.
I think the bathtub's on its own, yeah.
Because it still has to come over to the stack. Spotted.
It's up high.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see if I can spot that there. Okay, yeah. So there's the tub drain there. And it goes over and hooks in up there. And then this waste arm here is the toilet. However, the house, you can tell, has settled. See, the blocks are tilting outward, so the house has settled. So you see there's an upward sweep on the waste arm for the toilet. You see the toilet is swinging back up. It used to swing down. Okay. Hey, Dave. Dave. All right. So I don't know. What we can do is jack up the corner of the house here and put some blocking under it to hold it up. So, all right, we'll figure it out. Okay, we have got all of our plumbing done. There's the kitchen drain. You can see there's a nice 1/4 inch per foot slope coming in, and it hooks into the 1.5 inch side of the hub here. So we're just basically doing a direct replacement of what was there. So we've got this here is laundry drain coming over here. It has a stainless steel bank clamp, mission coupler holding it together, and that is it. So there you go. Much nicer than that nasty galvanized pipe that was here. Okay, let's get out of here. This is disgusting, and the crawl space people are back. And this is our working condition here. Oh, just on a peat bog, wet ground, disgusting. There's existing pipes. That's the bathroom sink. There's a vent. And that's the bathtub, and there is the toilet. This is what the drain pipe looked like before we started. You see on the bottom there, it is actually in the muck. And this is from the other side. The top is the kitchen sink, the lower is the laundry, and the bottom goes down and into the side of the hub. You're looking at the old laundry drain here, and behind it, just above it, is the old kitchen drain. And there's a closer shot of the kitchen drain. You can see that it had two 45-degree galvanized angles. And up here under the kitchen sink, our ABS comes up through the floor, and then we just have a rubber mission sanitary tee with an air admittance valve on top, and then your regular old twin 2-basin sink setup with the P-trap. So everything's working out very nicely, very good. I think what we're going to do here in the near future is swap out these old galvanized pipes with some PEX, because they don't have very good flow anymore. But anyway, so that's it. This is all fixed up and working again. All right.